Hello, today's my topic is about punishment of first offender. If a person is convicted first time and his age is below 21 years, and the court will ask him about what do you want to say about the conviction, or the counsel is there to represent the person in the court hall, he can ask the court about probation of good conduct may be invoked as per section 360 CRPC. Release of probation of good conduct. Consideration mandatory when. Whenever a person under 21 is convicted of an offence not punishable with death or life sentence and no PC is proved, the court is bound to consider the release of him on probation. If the court feels no inclined, court must record its reason. So section 360 is will become after the judgment is pronounced once in a criminal case, and the condition which is very much necessary is the section is mandatory in nature and its benefit has to be given to an offender fulfilling condition laid down therein. If the court nevertheless decide not to give the benefit of 360, the court can do so only by complying with section 361 here by special reason. And the release of probation of good conduct release when. To invoke the section, the nature of the offence, circumstance under which the offence has been committed, the age, character, antecedent of the offender must be taken into account. The section can be invoked in respect of offences under the local law or special law, both. The section can never be invoked when the offence is punishable with death or imprisonment for life. Accused convicted of offence punishable under 323 IPC is not one with any shady past occurrence taken place all a sudden. Such person can be released on probation of Offenders Act, and such is the case. So probation of Offenders Act can be invoked, or the probation of good conduct can be invoked by the court. It is mandatory. The counsel on record after conviction pronounced, if the accused is below 21 years and no prior antecedents are there against him, he can ask for such a relief, or can plead for invoking such a section. And this section itself is very mandatory, and the person against whom it has to be entertained, his age should be 21 years below, and good character and prior cases should not be registered against him, or no criminal activities are being done by him earlier.